Hey guys, Paul Geddes here from Tactical Sonar and Lowrance. Gonna give you another little Lowrance tips and tricks today. Little piece of equipment that I picked up at Best Buy that makes my life easier. You know, with all the new smartphones out there, all the iPhones, all the Androids. I have a Galaxy 9 Plus, which I know is, I ain't had it 6 months and it's already old. So one of the things that I like to do is you can always connect with the HDS Lives. You can actually connect these and with the Carbons. You know, the new Lives have an HDMI port, so it allows you to connect, you know, a video input in and be able to start, like my AquaView camera that I'm always working with. That works great. But one of the other neat little things that I found, and it's usually used for like projectors or like a laptop that you would plug into a TV that didn't have that smart device. But what it is, it's called a Microsoft wireless adapter. It's a video adapter. And what that does is it allows you to basically connect from your phone, and what that does is it automatically displays it. So I'm going to show you that real quick and show you how it works. So what it allows you to do, it allows you to actually connect your Android only, not iPhone, guys. You got to buy the digital AV adapter for the iPhone, and it's still wired. So Android right now is the only one, and Microsoft, of course, phones is the only one that can actually connect wirelessly to the Live 16s or any of the Live series that has the video option, which is the 12 and the 16s. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to plug it up and show you how it works. It really makes life easy if you want to use Google Earth, if you want to use a different mapping that you have on your phone, like the Navionics app that allows shading. On that note, CMAP is in South Carolina right now. They almost finished mapping Santee Cooper. I know Hartwell, all of our big lakes are going to be next. So I'm guessing South Carolina is probably going to be released November, December, and that's guessing. Don't hold me to that, guys. I'm just trying to get that out there. Once that's available, the CMAP Pro HD, which I think is actually called Precision Contours HD, that's going to make everybody's life around here so much easier. You can color shade every depth, 1 foot contours, sometimes even half-foot contours. So what that's going to do is that's really going to make your life easy, and it's going to be the most accurate mapping on the market by far. These guys are really hard at it. I know the mappers, and they are absolutely jam up at what they're doing, and they're going in places that nobody else is going, and they're mapping it how it should be mapped. So that's what's taking so long. And you know, once you do something right, you know, it's going to take a little bit of time. So let's get into this. All right, so what we have is we have the HDMI side, and one side is a USB side. So with that being said, it's nice and simple. I think it's $100 for a simple wire. I know it's pricey. Could be 90 bucks, and I think you can get it on Amazon a lot cheaper. But I bought mine at Best Buy. I was in a hurry and needed it. So I bought mine at Best Buy, sort of to give you an idea. So I'm going to show you how we plug this in. All right, so we're going to take our HDMI, plug that side in, and then we're going to plug the USB side right beside it. Now you can sort of see what it's going to look like. All right, so then what we want to do is we want to come over here and go to Pages and go to Video. Now you got to make sure your video source up here is on HDMI, and you see it's coming up with Microsoft already on it. So now I'm going to go over here to my phone, can come down, pull over here to Smart View, and I'm going to click Smart View, and I'm gonna mirror the screen. So now you can see on the screen it's saying connecting to Galaxy S9. So now wirelessly, I have no wires plugged up to my phone. Now we are basically projecting, you know, exactly what's on the phone. So let's just say, what we got here, I think that's Earth pulled up. All right, so let's do my location. All right, so you see how it's actually portrait? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom out, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this phone sideways. So now what that does, it actually clears up and it takes up the whole screen. So now pretty much, you know, you can go through, look, explore, you know, look exactly sort of what we're looking for here. Things that show on Google Earth that doesn't show anywhere else. And here's actually a really, you know, good example of it. So if you come over here, you can actually see, zoom in here. Now you can actually see how far that underwater point's coming out right there. So the little stuff like that, that's really, you know, all these shoals over here, like up here, that I'm sure some of them's marked out there, then some of them are not marked. So all these little shoals out here, that's the little things pretty much right there that, you know, Google Earth. Now that's just not to say, you know, that you got to use Google Earth. I mean, if you feel the need that you need to get on Facebook, you know, and scroll around a little bit, you know, you can get on Facebook and scroll through. So, you know, if you want to watch the weather and you want to see sort of what that radar is going on, turn that joker. Well, I just hit my power button there by accident when I turned it. All right, so you can look at your radar. The biggest problem that I run into is I want to get up here and I want to start scrolling up here. But you can come out here and look and see. Good, we ain't got no rain coming. But I mean, that's pretty much what it's used for in general. I know everybody's going to ask me where I bought this mount. I bought it on Amazon. So what it is this sort of a stretchy mount. It's made by Archon. Sort of mounts in the side right there, right beside my antenna. And what that can actually do is it'll actually hold a iPad mini sideways, or it will actually hold one of the big phones. So after you're done with it, you know, I can go over and turn that right back off. Now I can go back to my normal viewing. So I hope that helps, guys. That's just another little trick of basically being able to project your phone without connecting any wires. You know, by the time you buy the whole wiring kit, I think the digital AV adapter from Apple's 50 bucks. You know, you got to have a lightning cord to power, all that stuff. So it really just depends. I like everything wireless as possible. So hope this helps. If you got any questions, tacticalsonar.com. Look me up on Paul Getty's Fishing or Tactical Sonar on Facebook. Support number is still the same, 864-992-6362. Right now on classes, we are booked 2.5 weeks out. Installs, we're a week and a half out. So if you need something done, you need to get in contact with me ASAP. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks, guys.